Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to show, find and replace menu in Apple Keynote. Let's get started. At first, open your Chrome browser, then open your Apple Keynote software. Now I am already opened my Keynote presentation. Now firstly, go to the first slide on the presentation. You can choose any slide. Now I am show, find and replace menu. Now we can see here are menu. Now click this and click show and find replace. Now click this. Now you can see here are the show, find and replace menu are showing. Now hide this menu. Now click this and click hide, find and replace. Now again show, find and replace menu. Now click the menu and click here. Now you can see show, find and replace menu in Apple Keynote very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.